Hi, dear friends, how days? 亲爱的朋友们，过得好吗？ Chef Lion will cook a recipe, stir-fried chicken meat, vegetables with brown sauce. 狮子大厨要做一道菜，酱爆鸡肉，蔬菜。Take a potato, peel off the skin. 取一个土豆，给它去皮。Cut potato into half-inch pieces. 把土豆切成1寸小块。Put them into a bowl with water. 放入一个盛水的碗中。Put the bowl into microwave oven. 把碗放进微波炉。Boil the potato in highest level 10 minutes. 把土豆用最高火力煮10分钟。While waiting, we cut other materials. 等待时，我们切其他食材。Cut the red bell pepper into 3/4-inch pieces. 把红椒切成3/4英寸的小块。This red pepper is not very hot. It is some sweet. In fact, 这种红椒不是很辣，相反有点甜。Cut purple onion into 3/4-inch pieces. 把紫洋葱切成3/4英寸小块。Cut the green Chinese onions into 1 inch long. 把大葱切成1英寸长的葱段。Cut the ginger to 1/6 inch thick pieces. 把姜切成1/6英寸厚小片。Okra is very healthy vegetable. 秋葵是对健康很好的蒸菜。We need to use knife wrap the skin. 用刀子把外皮刮一刮。Cut the okra into star shape. 把秋葵切成五角星形状。It's so cute. 它看起来很可爱。Now cut the meat. 现在切肉。We need chicken drumstick meat 400 grams. 我们要用鸡肥骨400克。Take off the bone. 去样骨头。Cut meat into small size by scissors. 用剪刀把肉剪成小块。When we cook stir-fried meat, the size should be about 3/4 inch. 当我们炒肉时，肉片大小应在3/4英寸左右。Back to microwave oven. 回到微波炉。The potato is cooked done. 土豆煮好了。We move potato into another bowl. 我们把土豆移到另一个碗里。The water is hot. 水很烫。Put the chicken meat into the hot water. 狠鸡肉块放进热水里。Let the meat take a bath in hot water. 让鸡肉在热水里洗个澡。Remember, this step is the most big secret. It will keep the chicken meat tender after cook. 大家记住啊，这一步骤是大秘技，可以让炒好的鸡肉保持嫩软。Empty the water. 把水倒掉。Add salt 3 grams. 加入盐3克。Stir and mix it well. 充分拌匀。Add cornstarch 30 grams. 加入玉米淀粉30克。Mix well and evenly. 充分拌匀。Put the wok on gas stove. 把锅放在燃气炉上。Add vegetable oil 100 ml. 锅里加100毫升植物油。With the pot, let oil cover on all sides around. 晃动锅，让油在锅四周润开。 on stove fire at high level 打开炉火，调到高火。Put the Chinese green onions in oil 把大葱放入油中。Put chicken meat 倒入鸡肉。Stir mix the meat in oil 搅动鸡肉和油混合。Good smell come out 香味飘出了。Put okra in 加入秋葵。Put ginger, purple onion, red pepper 加入姜片、洋葱、红椒。Stir and stir 翻炒，翻炒。Add sweet brown sauce 30 ml. It is made by wheat flour. 加入甜面酱30毫升，它是麦粉做的。Stir and mix together. 翻炒混合。At last, add the cooked potato. 最后加入煮好的土豆。Stir rapidly to make meat and potato all covered with sauce. 快速翻炒，让鸡肉和土豆都沾上酱汁。Cook it 1 minute more. Make the meat cook evenly. 再炒1分钟，让肉熟透。Take a plate. 拿出一个盘子。Well done 完成了。I am Chef Lion. I love cooking and love share secrets of recipe. I take video for every lovely friends. 我是狮子大厨，我喜欢分享美食的秘密，我为每一位可爱的朋友拍视频。This recipe is so easy. You can cook in home. 这道菜很简单，你可以在家做。I write the ingredient in the description below my video. 我把配料表写在描述里了，就在视频下方。Potato is soft. 土豆很软。
Chicken meat is so tender. 鸡肉非常嫩。
You cannot stop eating. 忍不住一口接一口吃啊。The sauce is taste a little sweet, not salty. 这个酱汁有点甜，不很咸。You can use other vegetable either. 你也可以用其他的蔬菜。Or use chicken breast. 或者用鸡胸肉。You can eat it with rice. 你可以和米饭一起吃。Or make a sandwich. 或做成三明治。Every family member love it, even kids. 每个家里人都爱吃，小孩也一样。For main vegetables give you vitamin. 4种主要蔬菜给你提供维生素。Chicken meat is low fat and enough protein. 鸡肉是低脂肪，足够的蛋白质。Each bite is content and sweet. 每一口都让你很满足和甜美。You can eat it each meal. For breakfast, lunch, supper. 你可以每餐吃它，早餐、午餐、晚餐。Mom Mingo say, eat each meal good. Be a good boy, a good girl. 民果妈妈说，吃好每顿饭，你才是个好男孩、好女孩。Not eat too little. That will bring depressed. 不能吃得太少，节食往往导致抑郁。Dear friends, subscribe my channel. Give me a like if you enjoy this video. 欢迎点赞、订阅我的频道，如果你喜欢我的影片。Thank you， 谢谢。